Have you ever caught your reflection in the mirror, maybe just passing by the hallway on a regular Tuesday morning, and suddenly stopped because you noticed that the lines around your eyes seem so much deeper than they did just a year ago, or that your skin simply does not bounce back the way it used to in your 30s or 40s? It is a profound moment that we all face at some point, a silent realization that the clock of time is steadily ticking forward. Most people in their 50s, 60s, and beyond simply accept these visible changes as an inevitable surrender to getting older. They believe that losing that youthful radiance is just a natural part of the human journey. But today, we're going to challenge that assumption. Today on Nutri Quest, we are diving deep into the exact biological processes behind visible skin aging and uncovering how a very specific, scientifically backed compound can actually restore what you might believe has been permanently lost. To truly understand why wrinkles begin to dominate our complexion after the age of 50, we have to look beneath the superficial layer of the skin and examine the microscopic world of our biology. Think of your skin like a beautifully constructed, premium mattress. When that mattress is brand new, it is full of tightly coiled, firm springs and plush, resilient padding that keeps the entire surface incredibly smooth and bouncy. In the fascinating architecture of your skin, those firm springs are vital proteins known as collagen and elastin. These structural proteins are manufactured by specialized little worker cells in your skin called fibroblasts. When we are younger, these fibroblast workers are absolutely tireless. They are constantly building brand new springs, repairing damage, and keeping that cellular mattress flawlessly firm. However, as we age and naturally accumulate decades of subtle sun exposure, a few very destructive biological events begin to take over. First, our body's natural production rate of fresh collagen significantly slows down. But even more alarming than the slowdown is the arrival of a highly destructive enzyme known in the scientific community as matrix metalloproteinase 1, or MMP1 for short. This MMP1 enzyme begins actively breaking down and dissolving your existing collagen much faster than your aging fibroblasts can possibly make new collagen to replace it. Imagine thousands of tiny scissors constantly snipping away at the support springs inside that mattress. That is exactly the kind of microscopic devastation that MMP1 is unleashing on your skin's foundation every single day. But the loss of collagen is only one piece of the aging puzzle. Second, as we move through our golden years, your skin begins to suffer from a silent but aggressive condition known as chronic, low-grade inflammation. This invisible inflammation is largely driven by a specific cellular pathway with a rather complex name, nuclear factor kappa B, commonly referred to as NFKB. You can think of the NFKB pathway as a quiet, smoldering fire burning just beneath the surface of your skin. This inflammatory fire creates a highly toxic environment where normal cellular repair slows down to an absolute crawl, while the breakdown of healthy tissues dramatically accelerates. And third, to make this biological landscape even more challenging, aging naturally brings a severe reduction in blood flow to the dermis, which is the deeper layer of your skin. When the tiny capillaries that feed your skin begin to narrow, it means that significantly fewer nutrients and much less oxygen can reach those hardworking fibroblast cells. Without proper nutrition and oxygen, these cells simply do not have the energy required to maintain your skin's structural integrity. When you combine these three powerful forces, the destructive scissors of the MMP1 enzyme cutting your collagen, the smoldering fire of NFKB inflammation preventing repair, and the severe lack of nourishing blood flow starving your cells, the result is inevitable. You get deep wrinkles, noticeable sagging, and a complexion that has lost its healthy, vibrant glow. But here's the real question we must ask ourselves today. Can wrinkles actually be slowed down or even visibly reversed once we are well into our 50s and beyond? The answer is a resounding yes. Now, when faced with aging skin, many people immediately turn to standard practical solutions. Dr. Hinohara understood the power of natural biological correctors, and today we are focusing on a formulation inspired by that wisdom, known as the 72-hour Ginger Serum. This cellular renewal protocol is a complete masterclass in anti-aging that you can easily formulate in your own kitchen. This miraculous serum targets all three of the root causes of aging simultaneously, and its biological power comes from just two active ingredients: fresh ginger root, and organic rosehip seed oil. Let us break down the fascinating molecular science behind this two-ingredient wonder. Fresh ginger root contains a primary active compound known to scientists as 6-gingerol. When 6-gingerol is properly extracted and absorbed into the dermis, it performs a highly specific, targeted mission. It directly inhibits and shuts down that destructive MMP1 enzyme we talked about earlier. As 6-gingerol enters the deeper layers of the skin, it physically binds to the active site of the enzyme, acting like a microscopic shield. By binding to the enzyme, it effectively stops those biological scissors from breaking down and snipping your precious collagen fibers, allowing your skin to retain its structural firmness. But the molecular alchemy of ginger goes even further. Ginger also contains a brilliant compound called Shigeyuki. Shigeyuki acts as the ultimate cellular firefighter, directly addressing the inflammatory component of skin aging by vigorously suppressing the activation of the NFKB pathway. By halting this harmful inflammatory signaling, Shigeyuki prevents the production of toxic cytokines that interfere with your skin's normal collagen synthesis, effectively putting out that smoldering fire beneath your skin. Furthermore, the natural oils locked inside fresh ginger contain an element known as zingerone. Zingerone triggers a process of gentle vasodilation within your skin's smallest capillaries. In simple terms, it opens up and expands your blood vessels, dramatically increasing the volume of blood flowing to the deepest layers of your tissue. This rush of fresh blood delivers a massive surge of vital oxygen and life-giving nutrients directly to your fibroblasts, while simultaneously flushing out decades of accumulated metabolic waste products. Of course, these powerful ginger compounds are completely useless if they cannot penetrate the tough outer barrier of aging skin. This is exactly where organic rosehip seed oil enters the equation as the perfect carrier base. Rosehip seed oil is a botanical powerhouse all on its own, completely packed with natural retinoids and pure vitamin C. These are the exact raw materials your skin requires to truly support new collagen synthesis. It provides all the benefits of commercial retinol without any of the harsh, peeling side effects that often plague older, thinner skin. Even more importantly, the unique molecular structure of rosehip oil allows it to bypass the surface and penetrate incredibly deeply into the skin layers, where it creates a long-lasting reservoir effect. This brilliant reservoir effect traps the active ginger compounds inside your skin, keeping them actively working for hours and hours after application, rather than simply evaporating into the air like most commercial moisturizers. So, how do you unlock this biological power for yourself? Here is the exact, non-negotiable step-by-step 72-hour protocol to perfectly extract these anti-aging nutrients. First, you will need to source a 2-inch piece of fresh, firm ginger root. Wash it thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt, but absolutely make sure to leave the natural skin on the root. This is critical because the most potent and concentrated anti-aging compounds live directly beneath that rough outer surface. Next, you must grate the ginger using the finest possible setting on your grater. We want to reduce the ginger to the smallest fragments possible to vastly maximize the surface area for the extraction process. Once your ginger is reduced to a fine pulp, place it carefully into a small, clean glass jar. Then, add exactly 4 tablespoons of high-quality organic rosehip seed oil, making absolutely sure that every single piece of the ginger is completely covered and submerged in the golden liquid. Seal the jar tightly with a lid and store it away in a cool, dark location, like the back of a pantry or a medicine cabinet, for exactly 72 hours. I cannot emphasize enough how critical this exact timing protocol is. 72 hours is the precise window required to fully extract the 6-gingerol and the Shigeyuki compounds. If you let it steep for too long, you will degrade these fragile molecular compounds through overextraction, ruining the serum's potential. Once the 72 hours have passed, carefully strain the infused oil through a very fine mesh strainer. Press the ginger very gently to release the remaining oil, but be careful not to forcefully push the actual plant matter through the mesh. You will be left with a beautiful, perfectly clear, pale golden serum that is practically vibrating with molecular renewal power. Now, for the application. You want to apply this potent serum just twice a week in the evening. Always apply it right after cleansing your face, but before you put on any other moisturizers or serums. Dispense exactly 6 drops of the golden oil for your entire face. Warm the oil gently between the palms of your hands to activate the compounds, and then press it very gently into your skin using soft, upward lifting motions. Leave this treatment on your face overnight. This is essential because your body's natural cellular repair processes are at their absolute peak while you sleep, giving these anti-inflammatory botanicals the perfect undisturbed environment to do their heavy lifting. But before you begin this journey, there is one incredibly important warning I must give you. There is a single, fatal mistake that will instantly destroy the serum's biological effectiveness. You must never apply this ginger serum immediately after washing your face with hot water. Hot water violently strips away your skin's protective natural acid mantle and delivers a severe temperature shock to your aging skin cells. If you apply this powerful serum to skin that has just been shocked and disrupted by hot water, the active oils will penetrate far too rapidly and completely unevenly. This chaotic absorption physically stops the 6 gingerol molecules from binding effectively to the destructive MMP1 enzymes, completely neutralizing the anti-aging benefits. The solution to this problem is very simple but absolutely necessary. After washing your face with lukewarm water, you must wait exactly 20 minutes before applying the serum. This specific 20-minute pause gives your skin's delicate pH balance time to naturally restore itself, and allows your pores to normalize their size so the serum can be absorbed perfectly and evenly. As you begin this journey, please remember that genuine biological cellular changes take real time to translate into visible results that you can see in the mirror. We're not talking about a superficial cosmetic illusion. We are talking about fundamentally rebuilding your skin's architecture. You might start to notice your skin feeling noticeably more substantial and deeply hydrated by week 3 of this protocol. However, the true structural softening of deep expression lines and the actual physical rebuilding of your precious collagen matrix takes about 16 weeks of incredibly consistent use. I strongly encourage you to take clear baseline photographs of your face in natural daylight before you apply your very first drop. It is hard to notice gradual changes day by day, so those pictures will be your proof. Trust the profound biological science that is happening beneath the surface of your skin. You do not have to quietly surrender to the visible signs of aging. You just need to supply your body with the molecular tools it desperately needs to repair itself. If you are truly ready to give your mature skin the deep cellular support it has been missing all these years, drop a comment down below and let me know you are starting the 72-hour protocol. Thank you so much for exploring the fascinating science of your skin with us today on Nutri Quest. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and I will see you in the next video.